If you want to set up your Samsung Galaxy A56, first of all, let's press Start. Great, now we have to choose the desired language. I'll choose English. You may choose any language from the list. There are a huge variety. You'll find something which you can understand. Press Next. Now choose the desired language and press Next as well. Now you can easily set up with another device, for example with your older phone or tablet if you have one. However, for now I'll press Setup manually. So at the first step, we would need to choose and connect the desired Wi-Fi network. So choose the network and enter your password. Now press Connect. Press Next. So now you will be prompted to insert your SIM card or set up an eSIM. However, I will do that later, so I will press Setup later in Settings. If you want to do that now, do that now. So now you can choose whether to copy apps and data or no. I'll press Don't Copy. So now you will be prompted to sign in into your Google account. So you can either create an account, skip it. However, I recommend signing in at this tab or enter your credentials. So first we have to enter our email or phone. Press Next. Now you have to enter your password. Press Next. Now choose who will be using your device, you or your child. Press Next. Now press I agree, because you need to agree to the Google terms of service, otherwise the Google services won't function. So now you may choose if you want to protect your phone with any kind of measure. So face recognition, fingerprints, pattern, PIN, and passwords are available. Or you can set it up later in Settings. This is the option which I will go for, so press Skip. So give all the necessary agreements to Google services. You may choose whether to back up your phone or no. I'll press Turn on Backup, because why not? Now choose your browser and search engine. I'll go for Google, press Set as Default, choose a search engine, press Set as Default. So now you can turn on your Hey Google. I'll press No Thanks for now, because you can always do that later in the settings. Alright, Samsung account. Once again, you can either sign in right now, or you can skip this step and sign in later. So if you want to sign in later, press Forgot Password and press Set up later in Settings. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Now you have to agree to Samsung terms of conditions. Press I agree. Samsung services, press I agree. Choose the theme, light or dark one. I'll stay on light one. Press Next. And now we're set it up. So press Home to start your journey. Also, you will be prompted to install some apps. However, I don't want to do that, so I'll press later. And I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.